Everybody, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I post about videos regarding how to make money online. Today I found a new website where you can make money just by receiving the text messages on your phone. But before I proceed, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel because I post videos daily regarding how to make money online. So let's dive into it, okay? As you can see on the screen here, this website is called mcmoneyapp.com. okay, this is what this does is you can earn money for receiving text messages. Okay, you will get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide communication, and also you have to do is receive text messages on your phone once in a while. Okay, so they will keep sending messages to your phone every single day, like 2 or 3 times a day. So it's just a test, and for receiving that messages you'll be able to make money. Okay, you will be automatically credited. What you have to do is you have to go to this download APK section and you have to do is install it. Okay, and this is how you have to install the APK app that you can download here, and then after that you need to install it on your phone and you have to open a new account. Okay, so you can earn about like $5 a month by receiving text message, like doing nothing, right? You just have to open this app and keep this app opened on your phone, and you have to keep this app running in your phone, and that's it. And what you have to do is you have to just sit down and relax, and you'll see that as soon as you receive the text message you will get paid. And there is some kind of like rules where you'll get paid like a few cents or probably like that per message. So let's check out what this is all about. So what is MC Money? By letting us send text messages to your phone, you allow us to test and improve mobile operations. Simply said, you'd help us help mobile operators to work together, and not unimportant, each message you receive adds more money to your MC Money bank. Okay, real money. That means they are paying real money for receiving messages on your phone. So I think you should give it a try. Like and other features are like you will earn cash, and it works on Android only, so no iPhone. Okay, it works on Android app only. So if you have no Android phone, then probably it's not for you. But if you have an Android phone, and everyone has an Android phone in our house, right? So even if you don't have, and probably your dad or mom had it, or your anybody in your family have it, then that'll be easier for you, right? And now it is secure. Okay, there's no spam emails, spam messages or anything. They'll just test it, and they are a really legit website. So it's incredible. And although there's a limit to how much you can make per month, like you can probably make $5 a month. So but still, this is extra when you have to do nothing, just receive the message from them, that's it, and you will get paid for that. And I think just keeping that open and like keeping the app running would be great, and you have to do nothing to gain $5 a month, so it adds up to your collection, right? So let's see the specifics. As it is saying that okay, you may want to delete the text as soon as you receive it. No need to store it. That means you can delete the message immediately after receiving it. As soon as you receive it, you will get paid. Okay, after getting paid, just check the app that you have if you have got paid or not. After you have got paid for receiving that message, you can easily delete it. Don't worry, that amount will not be deducted from your account for deleting. So they are urging you to delete it, and because it's for test purpose after all, and you want to keep that space open, right? And you don't want your phone to get full of these messages. So this is a really good habit to delete messages that they send you after you get paid. Obviously, the message do not contain any meaningful text, but only some random characters that you can ignore. That's it. They're just for testing purpose. So and okay, limited amounts of users in specific countries. Okay, they can support a limited number, so I think you should give it a try and see if you are eligible to be a member of this website and of this app, and you have to just create an account through this app, I guess. So by doing that, you'll be a member and you'll start earning today. Okay, so that's simple. That's what I wanted to share with you guys, and this is called mcmoneyapp.com, so don't forget that, as you can see on the screen here. So I hope this video is really helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos regarding how to make money online daily. Okay, so and also as a disclaimer, I would say that there's no guarantee that you will make money by following this method or saying this. So however, it really depends upon how much effort you put into it, and in this case you don't have to put an effort, because you just have to download the app and just keep it running. That will do, and everything will be done automatically. Like it's a sort of passive income. So and I do not guarantee. Okay, so I recommend you to check it out and see if it works for you. Okay, if it doesn't work for you, then you have to do something else. So that's simple, and if it works for you, that's great. That's what I wanted to say, and thanks for watching. I hope this video is really helpful for you. See you again in the next video with another how to make money online video.